Hare. Hari Om, Hari Om. Okay. ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुर्मूर्ति पूजा मूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुर्भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति। ओम गम गणपते नमः गणेशाय नमः। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुर्भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम नमो भगवते ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते सत्यानंदाय। ओम गुरुभ्ये नमः। ओम शिवानंदाय नमः। ओम सत्यानंदाय नमः। ओम गुरुभ्ये नमः। Kindly close your eyes and get ready for the practice of meditation. Keep your eyes closed and remain absolutely calm and quiet. Withdraw your mind from all worldly distraction. Feel the state of calmness. Feel the state of tranquility. Feel the state of harmony. To the last day of Diwali. Yesterday was Bhai Dooj, and today is the last day of Diwali. Diwali, the festival of light. When the Lord Rama entered the Ayodhya, conquering the Ravana demon, and filled that festival of light. Diwali, festival of light, celebrating life of joy, life of peace, life of happiness, life of see the inner light within you. Remain calm and quiet. Om Samno Mitrasam Samno Varunaha Samno Bhavatvarima Samnendro Brahaspatihi Samno Vishnu Rukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vaya Tumeva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tumeva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishami Ritam Vadishami Satyam Vadishami Tanmavotu Tadbhaktaramatu अवतु माम अवतु वक्तारम। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम अहम ऋष्यश्रेव्यः कीर्तिः पृष्ठं गिरिर्व। ओम सत्यं वदं सत्यं विदम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Kindly feel the state of peace, feel the state of harmony. Think about Divine Mother Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi, giver of wealth and prosperity. wealth of Lakshmi. So the gate of, repeat 11 times with me mentally. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha. 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 Om Shanti. May the Divine Mother give you wealth and prosperity. Om Shri Mahasaraswate Namaha. Om Mahadurgaya Namaha. Durga, Saraswati gives knowledge and wisdom. Durga remove obstacle, difficulty. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Now, 5 minutes, remain silent and feel presence of the Divine Mother in our heart. The Mother giver of life, Mother giver of joy, Mother giver of wealth, the Divine Mother. Give everything what you need. प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, राम 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 कहो राम राम राम, राम 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 राम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम। Now you listen, you don't sing. I will sing, concentrate my word. पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेके राम नाम, पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेके राम नाम। भव समुद्र सुकल नाव एक राम नाम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। परम शांति सुख निदान, परम शांति सुख निदान, एक राम नाम। निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम, निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम। कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। परम गुप्त परम इष्ट, परम गुप्त परम इष्ट मंत्र राम नाम। संत हृदय सदा बसत एक राम नाम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। प्रेम मुक्त मन से कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। महादेव सतत जपत दिव्य राम नाम, महादेव सतत जप दिव्य राम नाम। काशी मरत मुक्त करत कहत राम नाम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। माता पिता बंधु सखा, माता पिता बंधु सखा सभी राम नाम। भक्त जन जीवन धन एक राम नाम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम। Feel presence of the God within you. Do the prayer to the Lord, your peace, your joy, happiness, you, your family, and whole person around you. The Lord is always within us, with us. He is everywhere. Feel His presence, experience bliss within, joy within. Silence is the peace. The silence is the joy. Silence is the peace. In that inner silence, you'll see the presence of the divine within you. Your physical body is instrument, is a temple. Lord resides within you. Hari Om Tatsat, and open your eyes. प्रेम भक्ति करुणा, प्रेम भक्ति करुणा, सत्य प्रेम करुणा, सत्य प्रेम करना, सत्य, the Lord is truth, satya, prem, infinite love, karuna, the compassion. This life is a divine blessing. Life is a divine blessing. Almighty Lord sent her this planet. Almighty Lord sent her this planet to do the good action, the good dharma, the good deed. If you want infinite peace, peace is always within us. Peace called Shanti. Shanti, the peace, is your nature. That called Swabhav. Our nature is peace. Nature is joy, nature is bliss. We don't have to find out peace within you. Satyam Sivam Sundaram. Satyam Vadam Dharmam Charam. Speak the truth, any condition. That is your greatest dharma. When there is truth, that is greatest dharma. Don't hide anything. Open your heart to the God. Open yourself to the Lord. And peace you will experience it. We are seeking for pleasure from the worldly life. Why pleasure? You want to fulfill your desire or ambition, inspiration. External world. You can conquer the whole world. You can everything you have. The senses give the temporary pleasure. Just like a day come and go, day follow night, pleasure from the pain. The sensory pleasure from the worldly object, temporary. But Shanti is within us is permanently. There is one path, light and the darkness. Darkness, the ignorance, avidya, asmita, suffering. Light, the wisdom. Light, the joy. Always light. The first God we call Surya Devata. Surya means the sun. The sun God come and give the light to the world. When the sun comes, the darkness automatically disappears. With the light of joy within you, all your limitations disappear. We have desired to obtain, to fulfill external world. The senses look externally. The duty of eyes to look the external world. Ear to listen everything. Mouth to talk. Mind to think. Buddhi, the intellect to analyze. All this sensory sensation, external, they give temporary pleasure. Man is creator of suffering. No one can make you suffer. You create that situation suffering because object, this you want, you don't get it. That temporary. We are not the body, not the mind, not the senses, not the intellect, not the emotion, not the ego. You are that Sat Chit Ananda. You are that Atma. Jivatma, indigenous soul, Paramatma, Mahatma. Param Atma, Almighty Lord pervading everywhere, in the bird, in the creature, animal being, human being. Can fish live without the water? Can live fish without the water? Fish, she cannot live. Costly oily boy, and you want to put this? No, my dear friend. Sorry, I want only water. The man want peace. That peace is within you. Remove your limitation to the mind, the senses, experiences. This life is a precious gift. God sent us when we born, and one day we will dissolve this body. The body is not permanent. Sorry, I want to take little water. Your permission. This body got 50, 60, 70, 80 years. Nowadays people live up to 100 years maybe. I crossed 75, I'm close to the 100. I don't know. The body is impermanent. The mind is permanent. The sense is not permanent. But your Atma, your Jivatma, your Lord is permanent. Look and experience Divine Lord within each and every moment. The Surya Narayan give the light everyone. Darkness is there. Surya, the sun Lord, always get up early in the morning while Brahma Muhurta before sunrise and pray to the Lord Surya. The Surya give the light everyone, not only human being. The Surya, the sun, give light all the creature, the bird, animal being, human being, everyone in the trees. Take that energy from the sun and feel, automatically experience the peace. Purpose of life. Think yourself, what is my purpose of life? What you don't want? If you ask me, as a sannyasi, as a swami, I want to know myself, express who is living within me. What is meditation? Meditation, just like you put a sugar in the milk, becoming sweet, and the sugar disappeared and becoming only sweet. Dissolve your I-ness and my-ness and experience presence of the Lord within you. Few seconds, a few moment. How long it takes? When the room is darkness, you put switch on. How long takes the switch on and the darkness disappears? Remove the darkness and feel the God within. The purpose of life doesn't matter you're Swami, you're sannyasi, you're rich, you're pure, black or white, doesn't matter where you live, what religion you practice or teach. You're a human being, but you're Atma, the soul. Your enemy is your ego, my dear friend. You manage your anger, ego. Why become angry? Why ego come? The reason. Think yourself, what is my anger? What is my worry, preoccupation, fear? Concentrate on that negative aspect. That is called three guna, always I tell you. Three kind of guna. The quality. Tamasic mind, rasic mind and sattvic. Tamasic nature, lower nature of the mind. The tamas, the darkness. When your mind do predominate tamasic state, you enter in the confusion, anger, worry, preoccupation, frustration, depression, all. Is that your nature? You cannot be angry 24 hours. You cannot worry all the time. Anger is the lower state of the mind. And another state we call Rajasic. Raja means the king. The Raja state, the mind, that mind dominating, controlling, superiority. I am that, I'm a rich, I'm a this, I'm actor, I'm money. All the things I. Rasic state of the mind. Also you are not balanced. Third state we call sattvic mind. The sattva, the pure. When the baby born, how pure is that? The little baby, she cannot talk, she only look. Baby is pure. The sattvic mind, the pure mind, relaxed mind, calm mind, the mind is pure. That's the state we have to learn, tamasic mind. Then you born viveka, vairagya. When you state the mind peaceful, joyful, happy, smiling with joy, swallowing peace, that you are the state of tamasic. The 24-hour day, while you are sleeping also, if you are rasic mind, you have dream it different. Sattvic mind, pure state of bliss. And that you analyze my purpose to realize I am a temporary in this planet. I have to realize I am that. I am the immortal peace. I am omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent. Lord is invisible, each and every moment observing act. Who gives the life, the prana? Every minute we take 12 breath each minute. 12, some 10, some 12. The life depends how much breath you eat. How long you have to live depends upon your breath, quantity of breath you eat. The deep breathing, relaxing, calm breathing, you expand the life period. When you become a short, you become angry, worried. Deep breathing, allow to maintain harmony within yourself. Art of breathing. Art of breathing. We cannot live without breath. The moment you stop breathing, Hari Om Tat Sat. And it is free. The life is free, peace is free, the breath is free. The prana, body, called Annamay Kosh. This body comprises of 5 elements that you know. This physical body composes 5 elements. What? We have first earth element. Earth, because everything, this body is grass, you cannot fly. Because we eat all the food coming from the earth, Divine Mother Earth. So we call Annamay Kosha, this physical body. Annamay Kosha. So we retreat, this we have, this body, 5 element. Then Pranamay Kosha, vital body. Manamay Kosha, mental body. Vijnanamay Kosha, intellectual body. Anandamay Kosha, blissful body. So we have 5 kind of body. But physical body, Stula Sharir is the grass we can touch, we can grow. The body changing. You are 1 year old, 5 years old, 10, 20, 15, 70, 100. Body changing. But your soul is the same. The body, Annamay Kosha, living with. But that body, we cannot live without the prana, the Pranamay Kosha. The prana, the body, subtle body. We inhale, we exhale. Prana, apana, samana, vyana, udana, 5 prana. The prana is inhale, apana you exhale. Then this body, we take the food. Food goes mouth to the stomach. 8 hours first digestion start. 3 hours the food will be remain in the stomach and go digestive system. Now digestive system how work? Who make this digest the food? Distribution, assimilation. That Vana. Movement of the eyelid, movement of the ear, samana, vyana, udana. Udana prana is separate from physical body, the causal body. The play of the prana, everything. We expel to the urine, the water, unnecessary. The food we eat, after expel the toxin, you cannot see the food we exhale. So, within you, that system work, there is something working. There's something called Atma. Who give the help to purify the blood, who distribute the blood, who give the energy to listen, who give the eyes strength to look, who help you to digest your system. The physical body is not only physical, something divine is working through you, help of prana. Even the physical body separate the causal body, that the divine separate from this body. Understand, you get too much in physical body instrument, this gifted body. To study Pancha Prana. Then again there is a Upaprana, Kurma, Dhananjay. This Upaprana. To Pancha Prana, 5 prana, in 5 Upaprana. Study of pranayama, strength of mind, emotion. Practice every day pranayama. Study prana vidya, science of prana. Distribute the energy. Worry can disappear momentarily. Do alternate breathing when you are too much worried. Preoccupation, concentrate in the here and think about Om, 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 Om. So that's why Annamay Kos, Pranamay Kos, and Manomay Kos. Man means mind. The mind travels in 3 dimensions. Waking state, sleeping state, dreaming state. Conscious, unconscious. Now we are wake up. You are wake up. You are listening to me. Night we sleep. That is called Nidra Avastha. And within the Nidra, within the sleep, you expand the mind and you get the dream. So waking, sleeping, these stages, we travel. And who is always never sleep? That is a super conscious state of the mind. He always watching, observing. While you are talking, while you wake up, while you are sleeping, while you are dreaming. But one who always wake up, that is called Chaitanya Avastha, supreme state of mind. That is state of meditation comes spontaneously. We transcend the 3 gunas, Rajas, Tamas and Sattva, enter in the pure state. And that state of peace. And that peace give the God. Peace is not outside. The whole play of life to Shanti. But we give only important external thing and we miss internal thing. How much money you can earn, how much name you can get it, how fame, how big you have, how much travel external world, but travel within and look within, how blessed you are. There are great saints in India. The one of the saint we call Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. The Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Guru of Swami Vivekananda. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, he is a devotee of Mother Kali. Vivekananda name was Narendra. And he was influenced my life very powerful. I studied before meeting Satyananda from Vivekananda. Vivekananda's name was Narendra. He went Narendra to visit his guru. Swami Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. And he said, Guruji, have you seen the God? Have you seen the Mother, Divine Mother? You pray all the time. An important thing, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa married. and his wife was Mother Sharda Devi. He married and he went to the temple, Divine Mother Kali. He looked his wife and he touched his feet of the wife. And he said, you are that mother in the temple and you are here. Whole life he worshipped his wife as a divine mother. It's very rare case happen. So Narendra Ram Vivekananda ji asked him, Guruji, have you seen the divine mother? Yes, I saw. Then he come with me. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa in Calcutta, Mahasagar, Ganga Sagar, where the Ganga river emerged in the Calcutta, he take Vivekananda went to Ganga, the Mahasagar. He said, come with me. And they went together. And they said, now stand in the water, go. And he tipped him with the head and whole body in the temple. He said, bring me out, I'm going to die. He put in his head and he said, this you saw, I'm going to die. You put me. Then they went to the temple, Divine Mother Dakshineshwar. And Vivekananda said, go to the temple, take the food to the mother and she will eat it. He said, how the statue can eat the food? So he gave his food and he closed the temple, closed the door with the lock. Narendra, the Vivekananda was in the temple. He put his food and he saw big vibration. He closed his eyes. He cannot open the eyes. Mother appeared, take the food. He opened the food was disappeared. And he started crying. He said, Swamiji, open the door. I saw the food disappeared. And you knocked the door, you closed the door. And he said, I experienced. I cannot explain. So Vivekananda realized presence of his Guru. The Guru is important to show the path. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Swami Yogananda, Paramahamsa Yogananda, his Guru, Yukteswar Guru. Swami Shivananda, his Guru, Vishwanath. Satyananda's Guru is Shivananda. The Guru tradition is very powerful. The Guru showed the path to go toward the God and life become very peaceful. This is not Eastern tradition, Western also. Lord Jesus has a Guru also. He was initiated. There are many Gurus. Aurobindo. I visited many temples in India, throughout India. As a beggar, I was begging and traveling. I got Swami Satyananda, but I travel India. Presence of the Divine Master, you perceive the presence of the Divine. My dear friend, this simple story. God can realize that's called Atma Darshan. Just like a great Guru, Sankaracharya, Adya Sankaracharya, he was Guru. The story of Sankaracharya is very interesting. What I am telling, how God visited. Sankaracharya, he was from south. He went to river Godavari with his mother to take bath. He was only 8 years old. Mother was sitting in the bank of the river Godavari and Sankaracharya entered. He was a little boy, 8 years old, he go into swimming. And one crocodile come and he take his body. Only he can see his only head. And mother scared. She said, Mom, he will eat me. But one condition, he will give me alone. He may give me alone. Let me do my mission. He come out and age of 8, leave his home and find out. He explained Lord Shiva. That's why he named it Adya Guru Shankaracharya. Age of 27, he realized Shankaracharya and gave up his body in Badrinath, Uttarkashi, Uttarakhand. The God, Guru, the relation. That's why he called Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deho Maheshwara, Guru Shakshan Parabrahma Tasmi Sri Guruve Namah. अखंड मंडलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Guru help, guide, who realize, who experiences. I had a lot of experiences with Swami Satyananda. One experience I will tell you. Swami Satyananda used to travel a lot. He had a program in India. He has to go to India, the program, he decided. And suddenly he got one message from Australia. Swamiji, we decided you have to come program in Australia, Sydney. He said, yes. So he got the same date, same time, 2 program in India. And says, Swamiji, already you have come to India, how you go to Australia? But he said, you never speak lie. You are the truth. Satyam Vade, always truth. I said, we will see. Can you believe? He has the program starting in India, same day. The same program he has programmed in Sydney, Australia. And people Australia say, Swamiji, thank you for your program. And India, they say, Swamiji, thank you for your program. Same time, same moment, 2 times. How can it happen? This is mystery, difficult to understand. He was laughing. I said, I mean, body can manifest according to will, but not the body, your soul manifest. Guru don't make miracle. But I saw the one miracle Swami. His name was Satya Sai Baba. I went visited twice there. Satya Sai Baba, in the many devotees here in India, I don't know here also, Satya Sai Baba. He's a miracle man. I saw him. I met him. Miracle not external, inner miracle joy. The flower come in the tree. The mango come the fruit, sweet fruit. Coconut grew the sweet water. Flower come, bird flying. Look, Jamuna Devi now sitting in the North Carolina, walking with the, yesterday she was talking with the deer. Deer say, Jamuna, just stay here. And look, miracle happen every moment. Your mind should be pure. The mind should be calm. Mind should be pure state in a 1 second. God help you, help yourself. Life of Jesus, how powerful was. He born in such a condition. There no air condition, no place, no home, no bathroom. And Lord Jesus, he was speaking the truth. Love thy neighbor. Remember the Jesus. No Catholic, no Protestant. He was a human being. Even putting the nail and putting the cross. He says, I am not the body. He is Vedanti. He again appeared. Give disciple his teaching. He never said, I am a God, son of God. We are all son of God, daughter of God. Have faith in the God. Shraddha and faith, Vishwas. Have faith on the God. The first duty of human being to realize the God in this lifetime. But we waste too much energy, external thing. Worry is there. Attachment with family, mother, father, brother, car, property, everything attachment, okay. That is temporary using. Attachment to the God, detachment the world life. Life is powerful. The realization come. Swami Shivananda, used to call Ocean of Joy. Swami Yogananda, the same thing. 21 days body. He was sitting in the Swami Shivananda deep meditation. 21 days. After that, he asked the pain. He write the word. The word is real. Word is unreal. God is real. What we see is not reality. What we do see. Last word he said, God is real. He left his body. He went, Swami sitting with prana. He take in Sastrara. Swami Satyananda decided also it's time to depart from physical body and causal body. 4 in the morning, 5th of December, Swami Satyananda tell everyone he's going. I know he was going. The moment time I had not went to visited him because he know this body has done its job, the work, and he has to go to do his another destiny. The God has given chance to live this body, use his body properly, use his mind and emotion, do the good karma, good action. Karma. Do the action but don't accept the fruit. If you plant a mango tree, you will not get an orange and banana, my dear friend. Do the good action, good karma. Don't harm no one. Ahimsa Parmo Dharma. Teaching of Mahavir. Jain Tirthankar. Ahimsa Parmo Dharma. The same teaching of Mahatma Gandhi. Tirthankar. Jain religion, Sikh religion, Hindu religion, or Islam religion. Muhammad was a prophet, but believe or not, he was following very individual path to the God. God is universal. Without explaining the God, you don't have to fear of death. The moment you born, we born with the death. Birth and death, they come together. That's why the baby cry. Why they cry? I say, I born, I'm going to die. Not to fear the death. People die with the cancer, blood pressure, diabetes, asthma, a different disease. A blood pressure or the sudden attack, plane, car accident. Death is nothing but going your own, back your home. That is original home to the God. So, my dear friend, have a faith on the God. Do the good karma, good action, good deed. Where you are, doesn't matter where you live. I leave my home, age of 12. I met my Guru age of 15. 60 years I now. 40, 45, I am with the America, this part. But I feel my Guru is with me, within me. Guru show me the path. He sent me to do my karma, my dharma, my action. India is my Janma Bhumi, my motherland. But America and this part of West is my karma bhumi, my action. That's how you people meet. Maybe he has not said, maybe he sent, that's why I meet you. The credit go to him. I'm doing my karma, all these things. Believe or not, I never had no one in my life. Word, thought and deed action. That's why good life. I'm very happy. I don't have any problem, any. Worry come for momentary, just like a breeze come and go. I don't have. I don't become angry too much. I don't try to become anger or any something controlling no one. My life is just like a river flowing. I am with my life and what I feel I give it. Book knowledge is the knowledge of no knowledge. Knowledge of self, that is the knowledge. To have a knowledge, go beyond the knowledge, wisdom and the peace. So my purpose in this life, to have peace, give to peace, receive of peace. But don't give anger. Don't upset anything, people don't like you. Everyone is free to do right thing. Do the right thing, right moment. This program is done now. Jamuna Devi in North Carolina, but we have Yoga Priya Devi. She is now helping me to transmit the message up to you. You know, Carmen. She is helping me. Thank you. So that is good karma, good action. The Lakshmi, Sita, Lakshmi, Anjaman, Sita, Luki, I give her special name. Lakshmi is invisible soul. She look me, but I cannot look her. I can see. Oh God. Someone say you do plastic surgery. You change your nose, eyes and teeth. You got a new teeth. Yes, I like your teeth. Yeah, you are real Lakshmi. Ya Devi, Lakshmi Devi, Mahalakshmi. Today your day. Diwali means the Lakshmi day. Velte para mucho dinero, hopi plata. So, the life is so blessed. I feel very blessed. So many things in my life, good and bad, but that don't affect me. Affect momentarily. I am very blessed. Transmit my word, instrument hands of my Guru. Satyananda give me. Without sending him, I am not here with you people. There is purpose. So do good karma, do good deed, good action, and be good and do good. Remember Swami Shivananda teaching always say, be good and do good. Be humble, be simple. Give respect, take respect. This is simple but very powerful. Swami Shivananda used to say, be good and do good. Be humble, be simple. Give respect, take respect. Meditate, love, serve, give and realize. That Ashtanga Yoga. Realize you are free man. You love unconditional. If you love someone, doesn't matter mother, brother, father, you, or friend, or enemy you love. Don't expect anything. Respect come to you. I try to practice in the quality of my life. If you change the quality of life, you change yourself, other people. But many people think himself or other people. Ego. Do, but don't expect the fruits. This is a bigger thing. I am telling with my experiences. The day I left my home, my mother gave 108 rupees, that is tradition. And my mother was very special. And she gave me that life. The mother called Matru Deva Bhava, father Pitru Deva, Guru Acharya Deva. Mother, father, Acharya, the Guru, and the God, fourth pillar of life. Have blessing for the mother, blessing of father, and the Guru and the God come to your life. So this life is a wonderful blessing. But we think money, money, money. My dear friend, no money, no honey. I know that one. You also know. But Lakshmi will come. Look, when Lakshmi come and disappear, that's why I give her Lakshmi to her. I can say the Lakshmi only, I cannot see her face. Okay. Good girl, good girl. So, Lord Shiva, Jaya Jaya Shiva Bhole Bhandari, Jaya Jaya Shiva Bhole Bhandari, He Asutosa, He Tripurari, He Asutosa, He Tripurari, Jaya Jaya Shiva Bhole Bhandari, Bam 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 Mahadeva, Hara Hara Sada Shiva, Bam 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 Bhole, Ramacharita Manas Bhole, Sita Ram Bolo Sita Ram, Radhe Sham Bolo Radhe Sham, Radhe Sham Bolo Radhe Sham, Sita Ram Bolo Sita Ram, Bam 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 Bhole, Ramacharita Manas Bhole. You know Bhakti, I am a Bhakti yogi. I am not Karma yogi. The four kind of spiritual yoga: karma, bhakti, jnana, and raj. I'm a bhakti yogi. I like kirtan. I like dancing. In the Guru Purnima, we should celebrate in ashram with Swami Chitananda. We are 100 Swami. 24 hours we are doing kirtan, believe or not, and dancing in kirtan. Bhakti. That's why kirtan, the chanting of the mantra, immediately release your worries and preoccupation. Bhakti. Lot of yoga you do physically. I saw Lilavati Deva standing in the one finger whole body. I thought, wow. She stand in the only one finger whole body. She's Hatha Yogi, my God. How can learn? And when that time she was only 1 year old. 1 year old standing on the feet. This is joke. So, have learned to be happy with joke. But don't learn to how to cry no one. The whole world become simple, humble, joyful. So now, my time is finishing. First, I want to ask one question to Lakshmi. Tell one thing, very good thing. You tell me something. You have 30 seconds.
Peace, joy, love.
God, oh my God, that's why you are so wonderful. I love you. Okay, Jennifer, tell one thing.
Peace, joy, love. Lakshmi said it perfectly.
Good.
Awesome.
How is the North Korean Jamuna Devi ji? How is the cold? There is no voice? No microphone? No audio. Thank you. Okay. Socorro, Shanti Devi ji. Una palabra, diga, una linda palabra. ¿Ah? No sonido.
Amor, paz, gratitud.
Krishna.
Good morning, Swamiji. Hariom. Very grateful to be a part of.
Oh my God, thank you. You sent me, I cannot believe you sent me $5 million in check. I went to the bank there, $5 million, and the banker say, you got a check, but the person has not